Hello. We are going to walk through purchasing a ticket for the Rutgers Jewish Film Festival. As you can see, we are on the Buildner Center site. When you scroll through, you can see that when you scroll over tickets on sale now or 2020 films, you can get to the same place by clicking. You will now need to click OK to leave and go to our ticketing site. When you arrive at our ticketing site, you can view all of the films and their descriptions just by clicking on the View More button or by clicking on the picture. When you decide that you want to purchase tickets, there are a number of things you can do. I'd also like to point out that if you scroll across the top, you can see that there's the option for an all-access pass with instructions here on what to do once you've purchased the all-access pass. First, I recommend going to the little icon at the top that looks like a person and clicking there to sign in. If you have an account already, you can put your email and password there. If not, you click here. It says don't have an account yet, and you can click there to sign up. And you can log in to your account. Once you log in, you will see that the little person changed to my initial. You can also then go through and select the films that you want to purchase by clicking on the little one. What you'll notice is that once you add it, you have a time that starts going at the top here. If you're just purchasing an all-access pass, you purchase the pass, check out, and then log out of your account and log back in, and then you can select your films. If you are just interested in purchasing individual films, you can go back to the 2020 film list and go through and select the films that you're interested in, like so. Breaking Bread. You can click on the Buy Now button here, and it brings up an option. Now, because I purchased the discount pass, you can see that this is where I would click to just add it to my cart. But if I'm just buying an individual ticket, I click here. You can see each ticket is $10. I can add it to my cart and proceed to checkout. Then I walk myself through the checkout. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have further questions, you can always call us at the number below, 848-932-4166. When you go back, I just want to show you one other thing. When you click on a film, you will see that there's the Watch Now button. Once you've purchased the film and it's between the windows of November 8th to 22nd, you'll be able to watch simply by clicking Watch Now. The screen will pop up and you'll be able to view it right there from your screen. Hope this has been helpful, and we hope to make future videos soon. Have a great day.